Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Elsa Oliva, 29 years old. I have 2 children, married, high school graduate.
Hello, Miss Elsa. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So, do you think you are qualified in Singapore?
Yes, madam.
Why you say that you are qualified?
Because, madam, I'm hardworking, responsible, and honest and loyal.
Okay. So, does your husband really allows you to work in abroad?
Yes, madam.
Why?
Because I want to earn money to my family.
Okay, so what if you miss your family? What will you do?
To keep busy myself and focus to my work.
So, can you tell us the proper way of taking care of children?
Sir and madam, the proper way taking care of children, take a bath every morning, give food, vitamins, love, as my own children.
In case you commit a mistake to your employer, what will you do?
Sir and madam, I immediately apologize and I do not do it again.
Any message you want to share to your employer, Miss Elsa?
Sir and madam, please hire me because I want to help my family and I will promise to you I'll finish my 2 years contract with you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Elsa, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam.